Hi everyone, it's Ronnie, and today I am so excited to tell you that we have added the menus feature to the Plantee app. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the menus feature, it is a feature that allows you to save a group of recipes so that you can use them again on your planner in the future. A menu can consist of recipes, notes, and ingredients, and it can span as small as one mealtime or as large as 1 month. We love menus because it makes meal planning so simple. It is a meal plan that you've already made that you are just able to add to your planner just like you would a single recipe, except it's the entire meal plan. So from the app, you will be able to find the menus from the Plan tab, and you'll see menus as a link in the upper right corner. From there, you can add new menus by clicking the New Menu button, or you can preview any of your menus by simply tapping on the menu. It will take you to another screen where you'll be able to look at your menu. And if you want to edit or change anything in the menu, you can simply tap the Edit button in the upper right corner. You can also plan menus on your planner from your friends or from our previous cooking challenges. All you need to do is navigate to one of those menus and then tap on it, which will show you a preview of the menu, and then you can use the Plan Menu button to add that to your planner. We have an entire help article about the menus feature in the app that is linked below this video. We've also linked the help article for the menus feature on the website if you're curious about that too. Let us know if you have any questions about this new feature, and we hope you enjoy it.